Celebrity justice or celebrity status quo? The Alec Baldwin Rust manslaughter case is up next. As many of you as subscribers may recall from our last video, Celebrity Justice, I'll drop a link in the description below, we took an in-depth look at the case and posed the questions: what would happen if this went forward? Would Alec Baldwin see jail time, or would the case just be dismissed, at least against him? Well, about 4 months ago, the case against Baldwin was dismissed. The prosecutor is quoted as saying that the case was dismissed without prejudice, and the investigation was considered both active and ongoing. Now, it's been speculated that Baldwin possibly settled out of court with the family with a financial contribution for the family of Helena Hutchins, who died on the set of Rust in Santa Fe, New Mexico. Now, the charges against the armorer, Ms. Gutierrez Reed, age 25, do remain ongoing. She claims that she mistakenly loaded a live round, thinking it was a dummy round. New evidence in the case, and possibly what saved Alec Baldwin's 6 degrees to Kevin Bacon, is that the Colt 45 used on the set was a modified reproduction, meaning that the gun in question was not, as quoted by the armorer, in full working condition. As always, the special prosecutors in the case did reserve the right to bring new charges or refile charges against Alec Baldwin if and when new evidence warranted such. Now, filming for Rust has resumed, albeit in Montana as opposed to New Mexico, but the question remains: was justice served? Should Baldwin be held liable? Should he be held for involuntary manslaughter? After all, the weapon was in his hand when it discharged. Now, is Lady Justice blind, or is she just turning a starstruck blind eye on the case? Only time will tell. Hey, be sure to click that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Also, click the notification bell on your screen if you want to see the latest of our videos. Also, Dr. Dan Brown has a new book out. It's called Sweet Revenge. You can look for it at Barnes & Noble and Amazon and where fine books are sold. There will also be a link for the description below. Until next time, we are Dan Brown Legal Books.